Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Uniform Dating account password. Sometimes you might forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Uniform Dating account password, first click on browser. Go to uniformdating.com, uniformdating.com. Click on login button shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your email or phone and password. After typing your email or phone and password, click on login button. To reset your password, click on forgot password. Uniform Dating has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. If you don't find your email on inbox, click on more, click on spam. Click on the link. Now, Uniform Dating has sent you your password. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.